Now, many do not know the word of radiations. And radiations that plants have undergone is when most of plants and animals have gone extinct or have been reduced immensely. This has caused the remaining species that have survived the event to spread out and survive into different niches that there has been competition that has vanished, causing many of these plants to evolve and fill these small ecological niches. Now, due to such a weird climate in New Zealand, it has caused many of the plants and animals to evolve in such a place and a way that if invasive species would have came into New Zealand, it would destroy them, as they have no natural predators or way of changing since they evolved in such a weird way. This kind of comes together because as humans first came to New Zealand, they brought together, with the first people coming as Maoris, they brought rats, dogs, cats, and other invasive animals that caused devastation in the local environment. This is because due to its millions of years of evolution of the environmental niches that these animals and plants have, they just did not have enough time to build up a defense against how to deal with these different animals coming in such a short time. This was only exacerbated by the Europeans coming and bringing the big huge animals like cattle and sheep and even more dogs and rats, causing most of the plants in the area to get heavily destroyed by these large grazing animals, as the only animals there beforehand were moas, but they went extinct due to the Maoris. This caused dramatic change and really highlighted the vulnerability of the environment of the New Zealand bush and animals. It's also most of the birds got predated on due to the easiness that the predators could get meat and fuel for the bodies due to them being mostly flightless. This kind of shows why nowadays we really have to take care of New Zealand's unique biosphere, as it is in such a weird way an amazing reflection of how evolution can go astray and can change with such unique parameters around it. This is mostly due to its geological isolation and niche, which have evolved these animals and plants to evolve such a way that we've never seen it anywhere else on Earth. New Zealand's ecosystem reflects a history untouched by land mammals and the pressure of continents. However, due to NZ's unique biosphere, it has left it highly vulnerable to outside predation and predators. This is why it is so important to understand this unique environment, because without understandment, we would not have the best tools to combat it and eventually save it. The only way to save it is through mostly conservation work and trapping of predators. But in the end, being in this country is both a gift and a responsibility. Cheers.